Good day. Today we're going to look at Grade 4, Term 4, Week 3 and 4, during which we will cover the topic of plays or drama. During these 2 weeks, you will deal with the elements or the features of a play or a drama. The learners get to listen and read a play. Then they will identify the elements within the text that they listen to. They will retell the elements in context, and then they will write their own dialogues. Here you can see an extract from the ATP, which tells you exactly what must be done under each skill. Let's look at this a little bit further. During the listening and speaking lessons, you will get to read and listen. The learners will listen while you're reading the play. This could be a play from the radio, television, or you could use this one from the DBE book. You're going to do some pre-listening activities, and then you're going to focus on basic terminology, like the speaker or the actor, the narrator, any of the play directions that they might be. Look at the structure. If there are any props involved, explain that. Anything else that needs to be explained to the learners depending on the drama or the play that you chose. You will also do revision of your phonic sounds, as you will find in the extra worksheets. During the reading and viewing lessons, you will obviously again do pre-reading activities, which will allow the learners to look at the pictures and the format of the text. You will ask leading questions, for example, what type of a text this is, what do you think will happen, where the story takes place, and you could even let the learners take turns reading the play with each other. During the further reading and viewing activities, you will instruct the learners to complete the post-reading activities. You can see examples here from the DBE book. There are also some additional activities or worksheets that you could do during class time. When it comes to the writing and presenting lessons, we are going to prepare the learners to write their own dialogues. We will then start, obviously, with the brainstorming activity on page 62, like you will see here. You will remind them of all the elements that you discussed in the previous lessons, and the learners will then work while you move around the class and help where it is needed, reminding them of appropriate grammar, spelling, punctuation, etc. For the language lessons, you will see that there are quite a number of concepts that you will have to revise. You will look at collective nouns, as you could see this page from the DBE workbook. There are also a number of revision activities as part of the worksheets in the resources provided to you. Remember that before you can do the activities, you need to make sure that the structures are explicitly taught. At the end of these 2 weeks, you would also have completed the formal assessment of the oral presentation that forms part of Term 3's project. This is only if you have not done it already up to this point.